Always wonderful to sit by the station restaurant, which is the old times. This is how everybody traveled in great ways, getting into one place to the next, en route to West Coast, running from north to the south, and hitting the train and keeping it simple and with the great features of the experience along the route. And it's always remember the journey which takes you on a breathtaking views of the west coast of America. Yes, here I'm at Portland Station. My next stop, Vancouver. Lovely. It's live. There's a live. Beautiful. That's the train platform just over there. And I'm here at the nice. There we have it. Just the signature.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Wilf. We have conversation tonight. We want to invite you to join with us in a series of musical conversations with some of the folks that we consider the GOATs, the greatest of all time. We're going to start with some older GOATs, and we're going to start with a tune called There Will Never Be Another You, which was covered by pretty much everybody. Think of Frank Sinatra, Elvis, Carol, Chet Baker, you know, the GOATs. We appreciate that more than you ever know.
Just like me on my train journey. I know what a wonderful journey.
They won't thrill me like yours should have. Yes, I'm a dream. How can they come true? There will never, never,
Yeah.
in San Francisco, high on a hill, it calls to me to where those little people are. I'm halfway to the stars. The morning fog may chill the air. I don't care, my love waits there.
Yeah, I'll bring you some water after the good stuff.
In San Francisco, oh, the blue. And in DC, when I come home to you, San Francisco, your golden sun will shine on me. In San Francisco, above the blue, and when DC, when I come home to you, San Francisco, your golden sun will shine on me. Thank you. Great.
It's before I go on my journey.
Small walls.
Take a break from the day-to-day, the hustle, and there we are. Have the train journey.